Today, we're reviewing Pipedrive CRM, a prominent name in the CRM industry. Changing over to a new tool for your customer list can feel like a lot of work when you start, but truly, when you learn where the buttons are, it completely fixes your daily routine. Right now, we are going to look at the main parts you need to know to get your deals moving along without any issues. We will show you how to do the first setup, import your list, and build the quick automated steps that give you back hours of free time every single week. Let's get into it. Our first step is getting your team added to the platform so everyone can stay completely aligned. To get this moving, go to the top right corner of the dashboard and click your profile icon to open company settings. From there, just head over to the section called Manage Users. It's a super easy process where you just click that Add User button and punch in the email addresses of the people you want to add. Before sending those invites out, though, you definitely want to think about your user roles. Pipedrive gives you a ton of flexibility here. You get to decide who runs the account as a global admin and who should only see specific sales deals or account sections. You can also drop your team members into customized visibility groups. This is a massive feature for larger sales teams because it makes sure your reps only see the specific prospects and data that belong to them, keeping your workspace clean and locked down. Once you toggle the right boxes for permissions, just hit Invite, and the squad gets an email notification to join in. It's all about creating an organized workspace for your operations right now, together. Moving on to the next step, once your coworkers are all logged in, you'll want to move your current customer lists into this program so you can start working right away. Instead of typing in every single name by hand, we're going to use the Upload tool, which saves you a massive amount of open time. You can find this button by clicking the three little dots on the left menu bar and picking the choice called Import Data. From this screen, we just select the option to pull a spreadsheet from your computer. The system works perfectly with basic Excel files and regular text lists. Once your document is loaded up, the software takes you over to a column matching screen. This is a very important step where you match the rows from your computer file to the exact spots inside the app, like person names, phone numbers, or company details. If you have a special piece of information that doesn't fit the regular boxes, you can even build a brand new custom box right on that exact page. When everything is lined up, you get to check a quick preview of your list to make sure it looks perfect. A truly helpful option here is the double entry checker. The program asks you what to do if it finds a name that's already in your account, so your lists stay perfectly neat. When you're ready, click Start Import, and your files fill the app in a few seconds. Now that all your lists are safely inside the app, you need a neat spot to take care of your very first chats with new people, and that's where the Leads inbox comes in handy. You can think of this area as a completely separate waiting room for folks who show a little interest but aren't quite ready to buy anything yet. When you click the little crosshairs icon on the left menu bar, you open up a clean space built just for checking people out. This keeps your main sales board from getting messy with cold contacts or names that might go nowhere. Every time a new name lands here, whether you type it in yourself or it rolls in on its own from a form on your website, you can slap colored labels on it like hot or cold and jot down notes about what you talked about. The best part about this holding area is that it lets you focus entirely on sorting the good options from the bad. Once you have that first real talk and see there's a true chance to make a sale, you can turn that name into an official deal with just one click. This moves them straight onto your main work tracks without losing a single note or phone number, making sure you only spend your daily energy on deals that will actually bring in money. Once we have our best leads lined up, the pipeline view becomes our natural home base for checking on our work every single day. This is the straightforward visual board that people love about the software, and it gives you a reassuringly clear look at exactly where every customer relationship stands. You can adapt the columns on your board by clicking the small pencil icon right by your pipeline title. While the standard stages like initial verification or sending an estimate work well enough, it's always a good idea to reshape them to reflect how you actually talk to your clients. For example, if your team handles custom services, you could add a phase for face-to-face consultations or checking project requirements. Advancing your deals is incredibly simple because you just move a card from one section to another as you get closer to working together. Something that makes a big difference is how the app uses simple visual signs. It shows clear colors to tell you if a deal needs attention or if you have a call scheduled soon. A red marker means a reminder got missed, while a green one tells you you're perfectly set for the day. This makes it easy to organize your morning thoughts so you can take care of your most important people first and ensure no one feels forgotten. To make things even easier, you can let the software do the hard background work for you by turning on the built-in automations tool. To set these up, just head right over to the Workflow Automations page, and this is where you can truly change how your business runs every day. You can build simple chains where one action sets off another step on its own without you having to press a single button. For example, you can set a rule that says as soon as a deal moves into the Proposal Made column, the app will instantly email your client and put a reminder on your screen to call them back in 3 days. This completely gets rid of those boring office tasks that always slow you down after lunch. You can also set up the system to hand out new leads automatically, so the very moment a new name drops into your box, it goes straight to the perfect seller based on their area or what they sell best. You don't need to know anything about coding to make this work, because the whole setup runs on a basic if this happens, then do that choice board. By letting the computer take care of these everyday steps, you can grow your business a lot faster and make sure your team spends their time talking to real people instead of typing into boxes. We found that Pipedrive gives you great business tools while remaining super easy to understand. It's a system that changes with you, keeping your team on track and organized as your company gets bigger. If you want to handle your sales the right way and stop losing clients to basic mistakes, we think you should try it. Check out the link below to get a free trial right now and see it work. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe for more helpful videos like this.